The vehicle level of this C-Class has dropped on one side. After the test, you know the shock absorber has a leak. For the removal, the vehicle may not be on its wheels. Therefore, the lift is the ideal place. Using star diagnosis, completely release the pressure from the corresponding shock absorber. Take off the wheel. In our case, it's the right front wheel. Then raise the vehicle. Disconnect the electrical connectors of the shock absorber. Then unclip the cable duct and set the cables to the side. Also unclip the brake hose from the brackets on the shock absorber. Undo the nut on the spring control arm and remove the screw. Attention! Upon subsequent installation, the screw must be placed in from the rear to the front. So that it doesn't fold down, secure the steering knuckle with a cable tie. Now disconnect the control arm from the steering knuckle. Lower the vehicle again. As you now move to the engine compartment, put on the fender covers. Depending on the side, remove the cover or the service flap on the suspension strut tower. In our case, it's the cover. For the next step, you'll need this socket wrench insert. Use it to unscrew the high pressure line at the shock absorber. Close the end with a drain plug. Next to the line you'll find 3 nuts. Unscrew them. And later tighten them with 61 Nm of torque. Raise the vehicle again. Now take the shock absorber downwards and out gently. This way you won't damage the shock absorber joint or the brake hose. Before reinstalling, check the condition of the shock absorber. If it's damaged, replace the entire shock absorber. If you install a new shock absorber, you need to measure its length and also refer to the leaflet in the package. Also check the condition on the shock absorber joint on the spring control arm. Conclude with a headlight adjustment and also check the shock absorber and the high pressure line for leaks. The remaining installation is in the reverse order.